Hey, join me in checking out all the features of this welding helmet. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the welding helmet itself, and it also comes with a couple of lenses, the USB Type-C connector charger as well. There's the clear lens that's replaceable, and the yellow one also has that clear inside lens too. It's replaceable, and a really nice bag. All right, here's a close look at this helmet here. It's got the logo right on the top, which is pretty cool. Logo on the side there too. Got some different modes here. You got grind, got your function selector right there, some padding here for your forehead, some adjusters for the top, and then of course a quick adjust back here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this lens out of here. So to do that, you just kind of work it out of there. Keeps it nice and clear and keeps your visibility up there. And we'll just pop that right back in there. Right down here you have your different shades, and you can select it down or up. So you have the negative and positive here. So you have a shade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that's for grinding and cutting. So it's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for welding, you can see the red icon, which corresponds to the shades down here for welding. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can have set your delay up or down here, the sensitivity, and there's the on and off there as well. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm pressing this button right here on the side, grind. If I hold it down, you can see it goes right into grind mode. Okay, for operating this thing, you got this mode button right there. So you can just push mode and hold it down, on and off, and you can see it'll switch you. So it just switched to lock. So now it's in grind. And now if you want, so here's mode. Mode, there's cut, and it's got us on 9, so we can move that up or down. Now we can go cut on 7. So we're reading that top, we're reading the green. So if we want to go light, that's our lightest for cutting is a shade 5. And you want to go, if you want to weld, now we're on 11 because red is at the bottom there. So say you want to weld on 10, push the negative sign, now we're down to 10. Okay, so you can operate it right here, but you can also operate it right out here too. So now if you just push the function button right here, but I'm going to be using these two buttons here. So you can just go right to grind, and then you can adjust your functions up or down. All right, getting ready to strike an arc here, and I've noticed that it's a little bit too sensitive. So one of the things you could do is decrease the sensitivity, which I've done already. And so you can just adjust it using these here, work your way up the ladder, and figure out what sensitivity works for you. And I even did a little test here. You just push that test button and it goes dark, just as you'd want. Test again, turns right back on. Right, here's a look through the lens. I've got the camera through the lens of the welding mask, and you'll notice right there, as soon as the arc initiated, the lens went dark, just as it should. All right, the other thing is you can change lenses on this thing. So you have a clear one here, and it even comes with an extra yellow one, but I don't know if you can see it, but after using it and it getting tossed around a little bit, the screen here gets a little marred up, and you want a nice clear viewing lens. So we can just pop this out like that, pop this side off, there we go. And then you can pop the clear one in, or you can pop your extra yellow one on there, and it just snaps right in there. All right, as you're looking from the front there, right to the left, right here, right opposite the side of this here, this little control pack here, there's a Type-C connector port. And it just is covered by this little rubber thing. So super convenient, just pop your Type-C in there and you're charging up. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and store it in this bag. This bag also has a nice liner in it too, so it's not like a standard bag that you normally see that's this style. Even though it looks kind of like that from the outside, it's got that nice fabric on the inside that kind of help protect things too. This will fit everything nicely right in there. Cinch it up, throw it in your tool bag, wear it, hang it up, whatever you want to do. Really happy with this, and I recommend it.